Right guys, welcome back. We are here to test the S14. We've got a new gearbox, new clutch, and I don't know what else is new. That's about it, I think. So we've been out in it already. Little one wants getting on the camera. Yeah, so far so good. So stay tuned and see how we get on. Third gear.
It's instant, isn't it?
What a difference!
It just makes life easier. It makes life so much easier.
Was it more tyre smoke?
Oh yeah, loads of fun.
Oh yeah!
Loads of wheel speed.
We can just see the flame through the smoke.
It's like fast, like controllably fast.
It's nice, isn't it? Because it's effortless. Because you just click one gear, hit the clutch at the right time, and you're just gone. It just takes off.
Look how fast! What a machine! Here we go, you ready?
Engine's ready.
half used.
Still got tread as well. What a waste.
Wait, ready? Harry, move, you're gonna get punched in it. She's not even scrubbed up, she's legal for MOT. That'll go back on. That tire will go. How are you gonna get it on? You ain't gonna do it here.
Right,
Something out.
pump it up. Right, so we got the tyre back on. I've pumped it up and it's still pumped up, so I don't know what's wrong with it. So maybe I just ran a little bit too low tyre pressures and I caught it on an uneven area and peeled the tyre off, so all great fun. But apart from that, car's running great. The new gearbox is amazing, should have done it sooner. The gearing's just so much nicer. So yeah, do a bit more driving and then call it a day. Yeah, I can't believe that's still pumped up. Yeah.
Can you go a bit hard?
What, faster? You want me to go faster? Okay. Yeah, that, ladies and gentlemen, Harry wants to go faster. You had a fun day?
Yeah.
Good. Glad you come out in the car?
Yeah.
Good. You all bolted in? Yeah. Right, so it's been an exciting day. I've managed to pop off 3 tyres now. Yeah, so, and Grace has been an idiot. Cameron. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm just, it's a bit, well, the surface is quite rough here, and I think I'm just catching some of the potholes, maybe popping the tyre off, but I'm down to like 20 psi, so yeah, it's one of them. But anyway, apart from that, old Trusty has been good as gold all day. Gearbox is banging, the clutch is lovely. Yeah, it's great. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like, give us a comment, and we'll see you at the competition. Over and out. Hey Harry, say goodnight. Say goodnight. Night.